I love developing young minds. Working with the Teen Quest organization and SYI has given me the opportunity to meet some of the most incredible young people, like Sierra. I am Greg Gaines, Program Director of the Catholic Charities Mr. Rogers Program. I've been working with Teen Quest since its beginning. Last year, the Mr. Rogers Program employed 67 Teen Quest graduates. In fact, many of them were returning employees. Our SYI employees grow produce in our urban gardens. Our students have been selling the produce at the Flint Farmers Market for the past 8 years. We've also added a culinary school to teach the employees how to cook the produce that they grow. Our employees are empowered through their work experience. I've seen many of my former employees go on to great success in college and beyond. That's incredible for the young people in our region. The Regional Chamber's Teen Quest leadership training and SYI employment has had a large impact on a number of young people's lives.
I'm Sierra Haney, and when I participated in the Genesee Regional Chamber of Commerce Teen Quest training in the 9th grade, I had no idea it would have an impact on my future. The training helped me get my first job with Catholic Charities Mr. Rogers Program, and that's where I met Mr. Gaines. Working with the Mr. Rogers Program through the Regional Chamber Summer Youth Initiative has helped me gain valuable experience and leadership skills. This will be my 5th year working with the program, and I am proud to say that each year I took on greater responsibility and ultimately became a team leader. I am a senior now, and throughout my high school career I've had numerous jobs, including working at Applewood Estate on the horticulture staff. I created Teen Quest for giving me the skills I need to be successful.